how to use GGives in Foodpanda. Now, GGives is one of the payment methods. So before using GGives, you should activate your GGives, check your available credit limit, like your G credits, and check if you are within your loan count. So all this is possible if you have GCash as the payment method linked. And if you want to use GGives to pay for food on Foodpanda, simply open the Foodpanda app and make sure to log into your account. Then tap on the cart icon. So making sure you have added the food that you want to buy or order, tap the cart icon and just go to the payment page. So go to review payment and address option, and here you can see add payment method. So you can tap on add payment method. Now if you have GGives available, you have to simply use GGives out of over here to be able to choose it as a payment method. And you can tap on see installment options, where you can choose your preferred installment plan, view and agree to the disclosure statement, and tap pay with GGives option, and then you will be redirected to the confirmation receipt of your payment purchase. Now by the way, you can also use GCash as a payment method on Foodpanda by following the similar steps. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.